Hi guys, here is BLC. Today I will introduce Android Auto and Carplay, Apple Carplay. How to work BLC Android 8.0 special head unit for Honda code 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, please tear off this screen protector before using. Okay, can you reload it? Okay, let me introduce head unit. First, you can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can check BLC is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can choose Honda logo. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, you also can change the theme color. You can choose blue and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, you can this button color can be changed. Okay, let me back the BLC logo. Okay, theme color, choose the red. Okay, let me check the system. You can check model is PX5 octa-core rack chip. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Okay, here is the adapter, USB adapter from your BLC. You can buy it from our website. Okay. There is use menu, instruction menu. Okay, you can check this Android Auto and iPhone Carplay instruction menu. Okay, here is USB adapter. Okay, you can check AutoKit USB adapter. Okay, if you work this adapter work or make the adapter work, you need an AutoKit APK from us. Okay, let me install APK. There are two USB. This is USB driver. When you connect it, okay, it will play music automatically. Okay, let me stop. Let me install APK from USB. AutoKit APK, you can download it our website, blc.com, blse.com. Okay, please click below this plug and play. There are 3 working modes. You can check speed, fluently compatible. Okay, let me return. When you connect the USB adapter by USB cable, okay, there have message. Please click OK. Click OK. Okay, let me introduce the Android Auto at first. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the phone. Okay, you need to install Android Auto from your phone at first. Let me check the phone. But when you can check Galaxy S8 Plus software information, this is Android 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Okay, this is USB from Samsung. Let me connect the USB adapter. Okay, connect. Connect USB. It will show connecting. Okay, it work Android Auto, show Android Auto, but header unit display nothing. So you need to choose the working mode with compatible. Their working mode with compatible. Okay. Let me try again. Okay, you will get the Android Auto on Honda code. Okay. You can play music from Spotify. Okay, you have navigation, Google Maps. You can make phone call. You need to connect Bluetooth.
你好。
It's home. Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify. Okay, this is Android Auto. Okay, let me introduce Carplay. This is iPhone XS. XS, you can check. Okay, let me open the phone. Okay, let me check. You must enable Siri. Have to enable. Okay. We're back. General, check the software information. You can check iOS 12.1 information. Okay. You need a USB cable from Apple. This USB from Apple, original USB. Okay. Connect the adapter. Okay. Okay, it's a work Carplay. Okay, you can have fun music and maps. Okay. You can play video or other. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, thank you.